Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to disable or enable the extensions widget, which basically appears right at the activity bar section, which is your at the left hand side position. So this is your extensions tab. If you just want to disable this, if you don't want this to appear right here, you can, there are two ways. You can actually go to the activity bar and right click, and there will be this extensions. By default it will be ticked. You can untick this option and this extensions shortcut will be removed. Now you can't access the extensions, and by mistake if it is disabled, if you want to re-enable, once again just right click and untick this tick this option, and once again your extensions tab will be back. So this is the most obvious way by which you right click and then select the extensions tab. The second way by which you can do this is go to the view menu, and here that you will show this extensions tab. You can even access that as well. Just go to view and you will see this extensions, and then you can access your extensions right here. So in this easy way you can do this. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of